We're making a start with some big news that's breaking this minute. Mirror now has accessed NCB's remand copy against Kshitij Prasad, the ex-Dharma production associate who has been arrested in the Bollywood drug-link probe. The investigating agencies claim Kshitij purchased hash. There was cash as well as bank account payments made for the purchases. NCB right now has sought custody for 9 days. Those are the details now coming in at this point. Mirror now accessing the NCB remand copy of Kshitij at this point. Remember, who has been arrested with regards to the drug-link probe. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh for all the updates now coming in. Mayuresh, over to you for the latest updates. What has been the important aspects highlighted in the remand copy of Kshitij Prasad?
Absolutely. If you see this remand copy in which NCB has clearly mentioned that Kshitij has got indirect links with drug peddler Anuj Keswani, and also to probe his role, that is Kshitij's role and his connection, we need his custody for 9 days. Also, it has been mentioned in remand copy that we need to apprehend and confront his other associates also who may be having some kind of links in this drug cartel. And right now, the investigation in a preliminary stage regarding the Kshitij and his links, and to further investigate or interrogate, we need his custody for 9 days. That's the basic thing which NCB has mentioned. But somewhere NCB feels that Kshitij has got connections with Anuj Keswani, indirect connection, and to probe his role, whether he had procured it for himself, whether he had procured it for someone else or arranged it for some Bollywood celebrity, because he was associated with the production house, which is one of the biggest production houses in India, which has given the biggest films. So that's why to probe his entire role, to probe him, they require his custody for 9 days. And right now we have been given to understand just 10 minutes back, Kshitij was produced in the court and the hearing is underway.
All right, Mayuresh, this is going to be extremely crucial because the NCB is now putting out several details and also asking for the custody at least for 9 days. There are also indications of how the investigating agencies continue to claim that Kshitij in fact purchased hash. There has been some amount of cash transactions and bank payments made as well for the purchase. So there is of course a lot of indications of the kind of procurement that has been also made. What does the remand copy specifically talk about procuring and selling of these drugs?
Absolutely, Aparna. Remand copy also says that the hash was basically recovered from his place, from his residence, and NCB has got information that to purchase this hash, he had made several bank as well as cash transactions. So we need to know the details of these transactions, and we need to know whom he paid, from whom he procured, who were the other people who were in his touch, whether he had, as I said, whether he had procured for himself or he was arranging for someone else. So to get that information, we need his 9-day custody. That's the information which we are getting.
All right, Mayuresh, keep tracking those developments for us very closely. We'll come back to you for all the latest updates that are coming in. For the moment, Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.